Hey friends, if you love photography and like to sell your photos and videos online, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon and turn on all the notifications so that you never miss any video guides from the Teaching Dog channel.
Hello, guys. Shh. My baby boy is sleeping. I hope you got that. So, I wanted to make this video because of late I'm rocking on Adobe stock. Okay. I don't know if this is a coincidence or there is some messiah or a god or an avatar who is liking my work and buying my work. Okay. I just want to show you one thing. I just made a video few days back in which I requested a payout, see, a month back, 11 May, in which I reached my payout of 158.90 US dollar. And then a few days back, just during the end of May, I got some extended license sales and I reached a payout of 177 almost in one day. And now look at my available earning. Look at the graph. June has just started and I have crossed $250. Yes, I cannot believe it. I don't know whether the lockdown, not lockdown, I'm sorry, Corona is over my mind. If the boycott has triggered this sale on Adobe stock, or if a genuine buyer has started liking my profile, has tracked down my profile, and as soon as I'm uploading, he or she is buying my work. Whoever you are, I thank you a lot for motivating me so that I can motivate the entire community. Okay, so let me show you. Uh, if I dial back my clock to May, so from May start to May end, if I display my statistics, you can see the earning was around $170. It's see the graph, it's just below 180, right? Now June has just started. Okay, so first June and today I'm making the video. As you can see, it's 6th 5th June, so June 5th. If I display my statistics, boom, you can see $260. I'll show you the images that I got, that I sold during May. Okay, you see, these are my images. These, most of them are, a few of them are medical images, few of them are my portfolio images, but my best seller, see, these images sold in 0.33 subscription download, but my major earners were these 3D mockups that I created using Autodesk Maya, as I told you. Ooh, my baby boy is moving. See the video, it's telling $17.5. Okay, now let me make my calendar from June 1st to June 5th, and if I display my statistics, you can see my this video is now showing 52, means it has sold again. And then I again uploaded another video which sold for $52, and then few photos and illustrations, these actually sold for extended licenses. So one, it sold for $16.5. See, it's not my lifetime earning, I'm just showing you from June 1st to June 5th. Okay, all right, I'm very excited. Now let me show you the videos. I uploaded quite a few videos. Again, these are 3D videos which are digitally rendered using Autodesk Maya 3D software, which I am learning. So let me show you. So this is one video. These are Oh, see, my machine has my machine cannot render actually. I will play using Windows Media Player. Okay, this is basic video and another video. These are all abstract animations. I tried to create the ether material of Thor, the Dark World. Okay, it was a liquid, soul stone. So it was a liquid. I failed. Actually, it looks like a cloth more, not like a 3D material. But nevertheless, I'm happy that it sold. See, $52, and my photo, some one photo sold for $19. Background. Okay, let me show you. See, this is a still photo from a background. Okay, let me show you the animation. I actually made this animation. I don't know if you can see, these are all panels that are moving forward and backward. Okay, so rest are all made by 3D and few are my own photos. Okay, I have no model. I click my own photos and I upload them, and you can see. So that's it, guys. So now I will request my payout again. So I am not a US resident. You can request your payout only if you have reached the payout balance, which is 25 US dollars. So now, right now I have crossed 258. So uh, actually I got the sales yesterday only. I'll show you one funny thing. If I dial it to 3rd June, you can see total files sold is only above $3. One file sold for $2.8 and just two files, 0.28 and 0.28. And yesterday, 4th June, okay, was my big day. Boom, it crosses $250. So I got above $250 in one day, right? So fine, now I will request the payout. So no, I'm not a US tax resident. I will continue. I'll select the method Payoneer. My Payoneer account is already linked, so I'll just, if your account is PayPal, now you need to type the PayPal email address. I have already linked my Payoneer account, and now I need to click confirm. Okay, your payout has been requested and will be processed within 7 business days. Now I want to show you one thing. My Payoneer account, I'll just log in my Payoneer account and I'll show you the proof that I got the payment. Okay, this is not a fake video. I never make fake videos. Let me log in. Okay, there are many guys who, oh, verification code. I need to enter the code. OTP. Okay, you can see Adobe Services Canada, $152 came. I withdrew it to my Axis Bank, and then again $177 came, which I again withdrew to my Axis Bank. Okay, if you want to see, 158 and $177, right? There are guys who needs further proof. Okay, so I will show you. For you guys, I will show you by logging into my bank page too. I just want to motivate you guys to show that these are real money. Okay, these are not fake videos. And you also can earn a lot of money, right? Because if I can do it, you can do it too. So, savings, okay. See, these are my PayPal payment. This is my stock photography account, okay. So I got, this is the Payoneer amount I got from two subsequent, yeah. And this was a sale in which I got $166 in one day, plus I had $20 from previous day, so total around $250 I got from this. And then I made payment to one of my friend, so this is the money that has been debited. But you can see Payoneer, so these are all real money, and very soon I will get this 258 US dollar into my Payoneer and my Axis Bank account too. So my point is, start uploading your work on Adobe Stock. Okay, start uploading your work on Adobe Stock, and very soon you will become rich. If luck favors you, if your portfolio gets noticed by one of the lucky buyers or clients, just like my portfolio has been noticed, you will surely become rich within a very short time. And even if this lucky thing does not happen to you, I believe if you upload regularly and if you upload high quality content, you will get paid much more than what will be paid at Shutterstock. I'll show you my screenshot in Shutterstock. You will see earnings are pathetic, simply pathetic. I don't need to show you my screenshot. Even okay, I'll show you, right? Because even if I was at level 3, I believe I'm still getting paid 10 cents. I'll make a detailed video, separate video about it, how Shutterstock fooled us all. So boycott Shutterstock and start uploading on Adobe Stock. So thank you guys for remaining with me, and thank you, my dear boy, for sleeping through my boring voice. Thanks for watching. Like this video, share it with your friends and cousins who love photography to motivate them so that they can also earn this amount of money just from files that are lying idle in their hard drive. Okay, there are contributors who are earning much more, and you know what earns the most? The photos that have got faces and models with valid model releases, they earn the most. Lifestyle photos are now the current trends, so keep uploading. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye and take care.